Oh, test once again. Okay? Ayun. Takip ko. Ano ba yan? Okay po, once again, magandang morning, magandang evening, or whatever that is. So, this is Mark Anthony. Especially, this is a testimonial to Miss Love Anyaber and everything! Ay, okay. So, once again po, Ate Love, thanks for accepting me as one of your friends. So, marami po sa mga friends ko na kinakamusta ka here in Thailand and everywhere. So, once again po, thanks po. Yun lang po nakayanan ng video ko. So, hello po as one of your fans. Happy 57th Kapuso Day! Opo, yun na nga, ano. Maraming salamat po. At saka po, I'll truly support the GMA7. So, yun lang po ang testi ko. Bye! Ay, baduy.